Everything you need to know about the ETIAS app, your essential guide to hassle-free European travel. The world of travel is constantly evolving, and with every new development, travelers need to stay informed. If you're planning a trip to Europe, you've probably heard about ETIAS, the European Travel Information and Authorization System. But did you know there's an ETIAS app that simplifies the entire process? This journey will provide an in-depth look at what the ETIAS app is, how it works, and why it's a must-have for anyone traveling to the Schengen area. Plus, we'll explore all the incredible benefits that come with using this app. What is the ETIAS app? The ETIAS app is a digital tool designed to streamline the travel authorization process for non-European Union citizens visiting countries within the Schengen zone. It's part of the larger ETIAS initiative, which aims to enhance security, improve border management, and make traveling safer and more efficient for everyone. Starting in 2024, travelers from visa-exempt countries will need an approved ETIAS travel authorization before entering Europe. While the authorization can also be applied for through a website, the ETIAS app provides an easier, faster, and more user-friendly way to complete the application process. How does the ETIAS app work? The ETIAS app acts as your virtual assistant, guiding you through each step of the travel authorization process, making it easier and more efficient. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how it works. First, download the ETIAS app from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. The app is free and requires minimal storage space, so you don't have to worry about it taking up too much room on your device. After installing the app, you'll need to create a secure account. This ensures that your personal information is protected. Provide a valid email address and set up a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account safe. The app may also offer two-factor authentication for added security, giving you peace of mind. Using the app, complete your ETIAS application by providing the following details: personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and nationality. Passport details such as the passport number, issuing country, and expiration date. Travel details, including your intended destination within the Schengen area and planned duration of stay, and background information such as health history, criminal record if any, and prior travel to conflict zones. This helps ensure the safety and security of all travelers. The app allows you to scan and upload your passport and any other required documents directly from your smartphone, making the process seamless. Once your application is complete, pay the required fee through the app using a secure payment gateway. This ensures your payment information is protected. The fee is generally affordable, making the process accessible for most travelers. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. After submission, your application will be processed. The app keeps you updated on the status of your application. In most cases, approvals are granted within minutes, but it's advisable to apply at least 72 hours before your departure to avoid any last-minute issues. Once approved, your ETIAS authorization will be digitally linked to your passport, and you'll receive a confirmation email. This makes it easy to access your authorization. Keep the app on your device during your trip. It's a handy tool for any traveler. It provides access to your ETIAS authorization details, travel tips, and important updates, ensuring a smooth journey. Stay informed and travel with confidence. Benefits of using the ETIAS app. The ETIAS app offers numerous advantages for modern travelers, making travel planning and execution smoother and more efficient. Here are some of the top benefits. First, convenience. The app eliminates the need to navigate complex websites or fill out paper forms, which can be time-consuming and confusing. Everything you need is at your fingertips, making the process seamless. Second, time-saving. Applying for your ETIAS authorization through the app takes just a few minutes, allowing you to focus on planning your adventure and enjoying your trip. Third, user-friendly interface. The app is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for even non-tech-savvy users to navigate without any hassle. Fourth, secure transactions. Your personal and payment information is encrypted, ensuring a safe and worry-free experience for all users. Fifth, real-time updates. Receive notifications about your application status, travel restrictions, and other essential information directly through the app, keeping you informed at all times. Sixth, travel management tools. The app may include additional features such as itinerary planning, travel reminders, and emergency contact information, making it an all-in-one travel companion that simplifies your travel experience. And seventh, eco-friendly option. By going digital, the app reduces the need for paper documentation, contributing to more sustainable travel practices and helping to protect the environment. To get the best experience from the ETIAS app, consider the following tips. First, apply early. Don't wait until the last minute to submit your application. Early submission can help avoid any last-minute issues. Having your ETIAS authorization in advance will give you peace of mind and allow you to focus on other travel preparations. Next, keep your passport handy at all times. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay in the Schengen area. Also, stay updated on any changes. Use the app's notification features to stay informed about any changes to travel requirements or conditions. This can save you from unexpected surprises. And remember to double-check all information. Accuracy is key when filling out your application. Double-checking can prevent errors. Incorrect details may delay or invalidate your authorization. Finally, explore additional features within the app. If the app offers itinerary planning or local travel guides, take advantage of these tools to enhance your trip and make the most of your travel experience. Beyond the app itself, ETIAS represents a significant shift in how Europe manages border security and facilitates travel. Here are some key aspects of its broader impact: enhanced security. By pre-screening travelers, ETIAS helps identify potential risks before they enter the Schengen zone. Streamlined processes. The system reduces delays at border checkpoints, ensuring a more efficient travel experience. And support for tourism. By simplifying entry requirements, ETIAS encourages tourism and economic growth across Europe. The ETIAS app is more than just a tool. It's your gateway to exploring the beauty and diversity of Europe with confidence. By simplifying the travel authorization process, the app allows you to focus on what truly matters, creating unforgettable memories. So, what are you waiting for? Download the ETIAS app today and take the first step toward your next European adventure. With its user-friendly features, real-time updates, and added security, the app is an indispensable companion for modern travelers. Subscribe to my channel for more travel tips, destination guides, and insider advice to make the most of your adventures. Want to save on travel? Click the Expedia link in my channel description for the best savings and bundles. Happy travels! Now that you have an overview of the ETIAS app, let's dive into some frequently asked questions. Do I need to pay for the ETIAS app? The ETIAS app is free to download, but there is a processing fee for the travel authorization. How long does it take to get approval? Approval is usually granted within minutes, but it can take up to 96 hours if additional documentation is needed. Is the ETIAS authorization valid for multiple trips? Yes, it is valid for multiple trips over 3 years or until your passport expires. What happens if my application is denied? You will receive a reason for the denial and information on how to appeal. Can I update my information after receiving authorization? Yes, you can update certain information directly through the app. We hope these answers help you understand the ETIAS app. Thanks for watching. The ETIAS app is constantly evolving to provide an even better experience for travelers. With each update, they aim to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and tips on how to make the most out of your travel experiences. Your adventures await, and ETIAS will be right there with you every step of the way. Until next time, happy travels and thank you for watching. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Safe travels!